Hello people, hello everyone. On this video I will show you how to add audio on Canva. So if you are editing a video on Canva and you want to add your voiceover, you can do it easily. Just do like this video step by step. So this is the video that I am editing. So we go to upload here. We go to upload files, or we click here and we go where we put the audio. For me, I am already put this audio here, so I will select it and click open. The audio start uploading on the Canva library. Okay, finish it. We can drop this audio here and we can edit the audio, etc. Okay, so done. So I can drop the audio here. You can see here. After we add the audio, and we can edit it like duplicated track, or if we want to delete this audio and put another audio, we can delete the track, adjust audio effects, volume, split audio, etc. Okay, we can also copy the audio. Okay, so this is an audio track on Canva. It's very easy, and if you need a free trial for Canva, you can get the 30 days trial easily. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.